Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Both devices on the same Wi-Fi or physically connected, battery above 50%, and you've allowed the app access to photos, contacts, and files. Once done, open the Transfer app and pick the device you're moving data from. The app scans for available content. Make sure you select the precise categories you need: apps, photos, messages, because this reduces transfer time and avoids duplicating data on the target device. Once the transfer begins, you'll manage what moves and how. You can choose Select All for convenience or manually deselect bulky files. Previewing large videos saves time. If photos are heavy, enable Optimize Storage to send smaller versions or choose Originals if quality matters. For apps, toggle whether to include app data. Monitor the progress indicator, and if needed, pause then resume. Keep both iPhones unlocked and awake to prevent interruptions and ensure data integrity. To finish, inspect photos, messages, and files to confirm everything arrived. Some apps may require a manual re-download from the App Store. Next, sign into iCloud, Mail, and other accounts so synced content and passwords repopulate. If something didn't transfer, reboot both devices and retry using a reliable cable rather than Wi-Fi. This fixes many handshake problems. Also double-check that the Transfer app has necessary permissions. Regranting them often resolves stuck
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.